Life's good. Bullshit. Alright, so I'm going to try to show you what's wrong with this television set, which I just bought not more than a week ago and wasn't even able to use properly until my wonderful Blu-ray player arrived in the mail from my house. So I wasn't able to fully understand the problems with this set until right now. Unfortunately, because of the nature of this flip video camera I'm using, it won't be as obvious to you watching this video as it is to the naked eye. But I think that I've found an example with one of my movies that at least provides some distinction so you can sort of see it there. And trust me, whatever you're seeing on the screen, it's way worse in real life. For a movie aficionado such as myself, this is really pissing me off. And apparently there's no way to disable it. So what I don't know is if this is just an inherent flaw in the programming of this television set, because I know this is at least one of 3 or 4 documented being on the internet cases of people complaining about the same thing. Or if it just happens to be a common flaw with this model and therefore the television is damaged somehow and can be repaired. But LG, these people, I've talked to them twice at length, and it sounds like not only are they based in Mexico, but none of them really have any idea about this problem or how to fix it besides just sending it in for repair. I don't know if I want to go to all the trouble of doing that if, in fact, it is just a problem with the entire line of models and not just a common flaw. So I'm thinking of taking this whole stupid thing back and getting it just a completely different television. But anyway, so let me bring you to what we're going to see. Okay, so this is Kubrick's 2001. As you can see, it's nice and bright. The picture looks pretty good, or at least it does in real life right now, which is why I wanted to buy this TV in the first place. But watch what happens. Okay, so we're watching the monolith. It's going back there. And now, apparently, this feature, I guess, is working on the assumption that when brightness goes down, it's time to conserve energy, or maybe it's nighttime outside, or I don't know what it's thinking, but as soon as we pan up from the planet, here we go, oh, it's way, way, way darker, and you can still see it pretty good on the camera here, but in real life, it looks like nothing. It looks like the screen's completely blank, when you're supposed to be seeing stars. Oh, here comes the Stargate. Yeah, we're starting to go, but you'll notice that it gets a lot brighter as soon as we cut to Dave Bowman here. And oh, and we're back to full brightness. Look at that. Oh, there's his beautiful face. Keir Dullea. Okay. So, this is bullshit. How are you supposed to watch a movie like this masterpiece when it's going all the time whenever you're in space, which is quite a bit of the time in this movie? It happens with a bunch of other discs. It's not just pertaining to this disc itself or DVDs in general. This is a Blu-ray player, of course, and I have The Dark Knight on Blu-ray, and it does the same exact stupid thing on there. It's especially noticeable with opening titles, where you'll have the title, fade in from the background, a black background, and once the title fades all the way in, the brightness on the TV goes all the way up, like normal, like it should be, and then when the title starts to fade out, the dimness sort of starts to come in, and when the title's all the way gone, it's just black again, and that's not the way it's supposed to be. So if anyone has any thoughts on this and how to fix it or anything, I'm welcome to suggestions, but right now it seems like the only option that I have to me is to get rid of it. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I guess I didn't turn off the camera.